Hello, Bubb fam. You know, some stories stay with us, not because they're big or dramatic, but because they change how we understand leadership, service, and the impact we have on others. In episode 11 of Behaviorally Speaking, Leadership for Changemakers, I sit down with someone very special to me, my older sister, Miss Lois Bubb. She spent more than 40 years teaching in Grenada, shaping generations with integrity, compassion, and a heart for service. In our conversation, she shared a moment from early in her career, a moment that almost made her leave teaching, and the unexpected act of gratitude from a student that completely changed her path. That story reminds us that what feels small to us can be life-changing to someone else. Here's a clip from that moment.
I guess one of the things I would love to know is there a particular student behavior moment or any moment, right, in your career that made you really proud, that you would always remember?
Well, I think I may have.
Shared it already?
I think I may have said that one. That child who was, when I thought what I did with him was kind of insignificant because I was in the old years.
Yeah.
The child who gave me that clap, I can tell you, there's a story I always tell because I think that is one of the things that really, and it made me realize that when you think that you're not really doing much,
yes,
how you're impacting your child is a whole lot different, and you appreciate it for sometimes what you think is small and insignificant. I must say that part in my teaching career has stood out for me because I always quote that story.
That moment kept her in the classroom for 40 more years. Moments like that remind us that leadership isn't always loud. It isn't always perfect. It's in the small human gestures, the patience, the consistency, and sometimes it shows up quietly through presence and belief. If this clip touched your heart, listen to the full episode of Behaviorally Speaking, Leadership for Changemakers. You'll hear stories of resilience, compassion, culturally grounded teaching, and the leadership values that anchored Miss Bubb through decades of shaping lives. And for a deeper reflection, read the companion blog, Behaviorally Speaking, Insights for Changemakers, available now at esthercbubbabaservices.com/blog. Because leadership lives in our daily behavior, and your everyday actions matter more than you know. This is Dr. Bubb, and thank you for listening.